Hello, Mark Sturdy here with a brief extract from this week's analysis from 7 days ahead, looking at major world markets, short, medium and long term, and how they're developing, how their structures, their trends and their patterns are developing. But in this brief extract, I want to look at the German Bund, which we think something's quite a good, considerable interest has happened. The long-term chart of the Bund has shown the rally from minus yields to up to 3 and an inability to break up through 3 once, twice. We've gone sideways beneath that yield level. In so doing, we have been creating a large possible continuation triangle, a continuation of this trend. Were the market to break above 288 or so, slightly lower than that, 285 maybe, since this is a falling diagonal here, a break up through that would be exciting. Are we going to break up through that yield level in the bunds? Well, this suggests we might. This is, I think, the completion of a continuation head and shoulders. It completed some days ago on the breakdown through this neckline, as we call it. And in another sense, this bear trend from 30.50 was extended once this prior low was broken down and should act as good resistance. So on two counts, we think the minimum move of this continuation head and shoulders has been established, which is of about two big figures beneath 128.60, 128.50, which suggests 128.50. There's more to come. And in so doing, this will be the catalyst, I believe, for the Bund yield to break above 288, 285, 288, the top of this triangle, and then in the familiar cascade effect of one-time horizon cascading, the implications of one-time horizon cascading into another, the short term will act as the catalyst to break this medium-term level and therefore set off in train forces driving the yield, what we think might be a lot higher. Maybe the size of this triangle suggests about 9.9% higher, which is quite a lot, suggesting up towards the higher levels of 4%, which would be exciting. Thanks very much. As ever, if you're interested in that extract I've just talked about the German Bund, there are others you should know about in our analysis each week. This week we're looking at sterling euro and also gold. Do please subscribe if you'd like to get our work every week in all these markets. 30 charts, 13 of the biggest markets in the world, updated every week. Thanks very much.